Hello scholars, I hope you are watching the videos and studying well. Let's start today's class. Today we are going to start Unit 6, Miscellaneous. In this unit, today we will be studying about world of books, one word for many, palindromes, what is the right word, partners forever, and about animals and their babies. Let's start with the topic World of Books. Books are our best friend because they always teach us good things. We learn from them and increase our knowledge. Reading books always keep you happy and your mind fresh. There are different types of books. Books can be story books, comic books, novels, reference books, etc. Let us do the exercise given below. We have to unscramble the names of books with the help of given clues. The first clue given here is a book containing narrative artwork accompanied by dialogues in word balloons. It is comic book. We will write in the space given comic book, C-O-M-I-C-B-O-O-K, comic book. The second clue given here is a book containing information about every branch of knowledge or about a particular subject. It is encyclopedia. We will write in the space given encyclopedia, E-N-C-Y-C-L-O-P-E-D-I-A, encyclopedia. The third clue is a book of maps. A book of maps is called Atlas. We will write in the space given Atlas, A-T-L-A-S, Atlas. Clue number 4, a book where words are listed in an alphabetical order along with their meanings. It is dictionary. We will write in the space given dictionary, D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y, dictionary. Clue number 5, a book that has a story with events and characters. It is novel. We will write in the space given novel, N-O-V-E-L, novel. Clue number 6, a thin book containing stories, advertisements, puzzles, horoscope, etc. usually brought out weekly or monthly, bi-monthly. This is magazine. We will write in the space given magazine, M-A-G-A-Z-I-N-E, magazine. Let's move to the next exercise. One word for many. In this exercise, we have to find the one word for each of the following sentences using the help box. The first sentence is a tour of a wildlife park. It is called safari. We will write in the space given safari. The second sentence is to sell goods to another country. It is called export. We will write in the space given export. Number 3, a baby or a very young child. It is called infant. We will write in the space given infant. Number 4, one who comes to a foreign country to settle there. They are called immigrants. We will write in the space given immigrants. Number 5, the highest point of a hill or a mountain. It is called summit. We will write in the space given summit. Number 6, a group of people watching a show. It is audience. We will write in the space given audience. Number 7, a person who writes plays. It is dramatist. We will write in the space given dramatist. Number 8, a person who does not believe in God. It is called atheist. We will write in the space given atheist. Number 9, a sweet dish you eat at the end of a meal. It is called dessert. We will write in the space given dessert. Number 10, a person who eats too much. It is called glutton. We will write in the space given glutton. Let's move to the next topic. Chapter 31, Palindromes. A palindrome is a word, phrase, verse or a sentence that reads the same backward or forward. For example, level, L-E-V-E-L. The spelling from both the side, it is same, and we will read from both the side level. Another example is kayak, K-A-Y-A-K. Kayak, from both the side we read it same. This is called palindromes. Let us try some palindromes riddles. In the given exercise, we have to choose the answer from the help box and find the word that reads the same from both the side. The first question is, what comes after morning? It is noon, N-O-O-N, noon. We will write in the space given noon. Second question, what is the past tense of do? It is did, D-I-D, did. We will write in the space given did. Number 3, what do you call the baby of a dog? It is pup, P-U-P, pup. We will write in the space given pup. Number 4, what is the short form of sister? It is sis, S-I-S, sis. We will write in the space given sis. Number 5, how do you address your teacher? We call a teacher madam, M-A-D-A-M, madam. We will write in the space given madam. Number 6, what do you call a female monk? Female monk is called nun, N-U-N, nun. We will write in the space given nun. Number 7, which Indian language has a name that is a palindrome? This language is Malayalam, M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M, Malayalam. We will write in the space given Malayalam. Number 8, pronounced as one letter but written with 3, only 2 different letters are used to make me. It is I, E-Y-E-I. We will write in the space given I. Number 9, that is what you call your mother. It is mom, M-O-M, mom. We will write in the space given mom. Let's proceed further. Chapter 32, what is the right word? In the first part of the exercise, we have to tick the word that is opposite in meaning to the given word. The first word is narrow and the opposite of narrow is wide. We will tick the answer C, wide. The second word is active and the opposite of active is passive. We will tick the answer B, passive. Number 3, empty. The opposite of empty is full. We will tick the answer A, full. Fourth word is wild and the opposite of wild is tame. We will tick the answer A, tame. The fifth word is beautiful and the opposite of word beautiful is ugly. We will tick the answer B, ugly. Let's move to the next part of the exercise. In this, we have to tick the sound that these devices make. The first device given here is mouse and the sound which the mouse make is click. We will tick the answer A, click. The second device is drums and the sound that the drums make is beat. We will tick the answer B, beat. The third picture is telephone and the sound of the telephone is ring. We will tick the answer A, ring. The fourth picture is the picture of bell and the sound that bell make is Jingle. We will take the answer B, jingle. Let's move to the next exercise. Partners forever. Some names are always taken together. These well-known characters have been closely associated with one another ever since we can remember. In the given exercise, we have to select the names of the missing partner from the help box given below and fill in the blanks. Number 1, Ram and Dash. It is Ram and Lakshman. Ram and Lakshman is always said together. We will write in the space given Lakshman. Number 2, Ali Baba and the Dash. It is 40 Thieves. Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves. We will write in the space given 40 Thieves. Number 3, Snow White and the Dash. It is Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. We will write in the space given 7 Dwarfs. Number 4, Laurel and Dash. It is Laurel and Hardy. We will write in the space given Hardy. Number 5, Jack and Dash. It is Jill. Jack and Jill. We will write in the space given Jill. Number 6, King Nala and Queen Dash. It is Queen Damayanti. We will write in the space given Damayanti. Number 7, Krishnadev Raya and Dash. It is Krishnadev Rai and Tenali Raman. We will write in the space given Tenali Raman. Number 8, Dr. Jekyll and Dash. It is Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. We will write in the space given Mr. Hyde. Number 9, Tom Sawyer and Dash. It is Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn. We will write in the space given Huckleberry Finn. Number 10, Akbar and Dash. It is Akbar and Birbal. We will write in the space given Birbal. Number 11, Sherlock Holmes and Dash. It is Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson. We will write in the space given Dr. Watson. Number 12, Robinson Crusoe and Dash. It is Robinson Crusoe and Friday. We will write in the space given Friday. Number 13, Robin Hood and his Dash. It is Merry Men. Robin Hood and his Merry Men. We will write in the space given Merry Men. Number 14, Pied Piper and Dash. It is Pied Piper and Rats. We will write in the space given Rats. Number 15, Owl and the Dash. It is Owl and the Pussycat. We will write in the space given Pussycat. Number 16, Betty and Dash. It is Betty and Veronica. We will write in the space given Veronica. Let's move to the next exercise. Animals and their babies. In the given exercise, we have to pick the correct names of these baby animals from the help box and fill in the blanks. Number 1, Sheep and Dash. It is Sheep and Lamb. The baby of sheep is called Lamb. We will write in the space given Lamb. Number 2, Turtle and Dash. The baby of turtle is called Hatchling. We will write in the space given Hatchling. Number 3, Lion and Dash. The baby of lion is called Cub. We will write in the space given Cub. Number 4, Elephant and Dash. Baby of elephant is called Calf. We will write in the space given Calf. Number 5, Horse and Dash. Baby of horse is called Foal. We will write in the space given Foal. Number 6, Goat and Dash. Baby of goat is called Kid. We will write in the space given Kid. Number 7, Dog and Dash. Baby of dog is called Puppy. We will write in the space given Puppy. Number 8, Rabbit and Dash. The baby of rabbit is called Bunny. We will write in the space given bunny, rabbit and bunny. Number 9, duck and dash. The baby of duck is called duckling. We will write in the space given duckling. Now it's time to end the class. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete all the exercise given. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.